Hi guys! Do you want to boost your energy, cleanse your system, and glow from the inside out? Then watch how I make this powerful immunity boosting juice using just 3 key ingredients, right in a regular blender. No juicer is needed. This detox juice recipe is packed with lots of vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory benefits. This blend is your secret weapon to a healthy lifestyle. So stick around and see how easy it is to make this energy boosting juice at home. First up on my list is carrots. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotenes, which your body converts into vitamin A. These are essentials for healthy eyes, glowing skin, and immune support. Carrots are also rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and slow aging. Plus, they add a natural sweetness to your juice. Next on my list is beetroots. Beets are natural detoxifiers and blood purifiers. They help lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and support liver function. This deep red vegetable is packed with nitrates, which boost stamina and endurance, perfect if you work out or have a long day on your feet. So a quick backstory on how I started making this juice. I started making this juice when I was looking for simple ways to feel more energized as a busy mom and support my skin, digestion, and immunity. Trust me, after drinking this juice a few times a week, the difference was really clear. I had brighter skin, better digestion, and way more energy to run around with the kids. Alright guys, let's continue with this video. So the last ingredient is ginger. This root might look small, but it's powerful. Ginger has anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, and digestive benefits. It helps bloating and even cold. Now that we have prepped our ingredients, it's time to blend. I'm adding chopped carrots, beetroots, and a top of fresh garlic into the blender. Then I'll pour about 2 cups of clean water, just enough to blend smoothly. Blend for about 1 to 2 minutes until everything is well combined and smooth. Then we strain it using a fine sieve or cheesecloth to separate the juice from the fiber. What we are left with is this vibrant, rich and red detox juice ready to be drunk. This juice is best enjoyed in the morning on an empty stomach or before a workout for a natural energy boost. It supports detoxification, promotes weight loss, helps with digestion, and leaves your skin looking fresh and radiant. It's an easy way to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals all in one glass. If you find this very helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy recipes, natural wellness tips, and easy blender juices. Share this video with someone who needs a healthy boost. Cheers to your health. See you in my next video. Bye.